So now let's get to it. What's happening to the Chinese economy? Just this morning, when you turn on, I just got back to Hong Kong early morning, turning on the TV, what's happening? Imports are down 20%, exports are down 3.7%, and then today the market is not having a good day because everyone's concerned about the slowing down in China. Well, you know, when you look at some of the numbers that come out on a monthly basis, the high frequency data, clearly there are some reasons for concern. Just a couple of days ago, we had the inflation numbers coming out. You know, we had China's producer price index down by pretty wide margin, 5.9%. What this means is that if you're producing steel, cement for the industrial sector, your prices are dropping by 5.9%. And importantly, this was the 46th month in a row that producer price was dropping. CPI numbers were also quite low, 1.6%, and that actually thanks to pork. Pork prices actually were quite stable, therefore CPI hasn't dipped into negative territory. So when you look at all these high-frequency economic data, people are wondering, gee, what's really happening to the Chinese economy? And by extension, what's happening to the global economy? I think it's important to keep in mind where the double-digit growth era is long behind us. You know, if you think back on 2007, the year before the financial crisis, China's GDP growth in that year was 14.2%. Today, according to government numbers, it's 7%. So in the last 7 years, growth rates basically have halved. So on paper, on the surface, this is a cause for concern. But I think there's some underlying factors